Is a husband required to pay alimony if the wife was caught cheating? My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, particularly about interesting issues like this, so please subscribe to our channel. It's a very good question. I mean, on the one hand, if somebody's caught cheating, it might suggest that they are, in essence, bringing on the divorce. So if they are bringing on the divorce, they're not really in position to tell the court, oh, pay me, I should get alimony because all of a sudden I'm left in this situation, I didn't intend it. The truth of the matter is, if they are the cause of the breakdown, it is possible that the court might say, you very well intended it, you knew what you were doing, you risked the support, you knew you'd get caught, it's going to impact alimony. On the other hand, we have to look at that and balance that against the fact that Michigan's a no-fault divorce state. So what does that mean? A lot of people think, well, if it's a no-fault divorce state, then infidelity shouldn't even be part of the equation. Yes and no. It depends what equation we're talking about. If we're talking about the equation of whether or not you can get divorced, Michigan's a no-fault divorce state, meaning that you don't have to prove any grounds. In the old days, you used to have grounds for divorce. We don't have to have grounds. All we do, we just have to allege that there's been a breakdown of the marital relationship. Objects of matrimony have been destroyed. That's it. Once you allege that, that's all you need. But in terms of alimony and in terms of property settlement, fault can be used by the court to determine how we apportion certain things. So for example, in a case where the court might find one party significantly at fault, the court might not go with a 50-50. The court might go 55-45, maybe even 60-40. In that regard, I will tell you that if you're thinking, well, the fault's really bad, then it'll go 90-10. No, it won't. There are cases where you see 55-45, sometimes 60-40. You're not going to see more than that because the court has a duty to make things equitable, and there's a whole issue of whether or not an infidelity is the cause of a breakdown of a marriage versus the symptom of an already broken down marriage. So the likelihood of something being really out of proportion is small. But can it affect alimony? Yeah, it can. If you find that somebody was guilty of infidelity, that there's a fault factor in that, it can be taken into account with respect to alimony. Will it mean that there's a tremendous amount paid or that there's nothing paid, depending on which side of the infidelity you're on? Probably not, but it could impact the calculation. It should be brought to the attention of your lawyer so that your lawyer can advocate on your behalf and bring that factor to bear as it relates on the total adjustment and calculation of the alimony. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.